All right, today, so I'll be sharing with us 3 secrets that you can apply that will make your video go viral on Facebook. All right, I know a lot of people actually want their video to go viral on Facebook specifically now. So there are things you need to do. There are ways to go about that. And believe in me, you just wake up one morning and you hear that your video is going viral. I know a lot of you must have seen people's video going viral, and then you'll be wondering, probably you've been creating content for years and none of your video has gone viral. So there are actually things you need to do. All right. There are actually things you need to do to make your video go viral. It's not all the time you run to these big content creators DM and start begging them, post my content, post my content. No, you don't need to be doing that all the time. There are things on your own you need to apply, and you see it naturally, your video will start going viral. All right, let me share my experience with you. I posted one video one day, and on waking up in the morning, I saw about 102,000 naira. That was the first time I was seeing my video exceeding 50,000. Most of the videos I create, some of them are 30, 20, 50. But I woke up one morning and I saw that one is 120,000 views, and I was surprised. So I'm going to be sharing with us one of the things you must do to make your video go such viral or even exceed. Of course, you can have as many views as possible. People have 10 million views, so it's not bad if you too have that kind of view, but you must apply these 3 things I'm going to tell you here. But before I proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, right, and turn on the notification button to get notified anytime anytime I drop a video, because I'm going to be dropping back to back and educative content this time around that will help you to grow your Facebook and grow your social media handles very well. I'm going to be I've learned a lot out of experience. I've learned a lot from most of these social media platform, and I'm going to, especially Facebook, and I'm going to be imparting the knowledge on my fans here. All right, so please, one of the things you must do is that you must create content that is engaging. Yes, you must create, you will try as much as possible to create content that people will want to know what happened next. All right, don't be like Nigerian movie that once movie starts, you already know how the ending will be. Don't create that kind of content, please. Isn't that funny? So please try to create content that people will want to know what happened next. Okay, this after this, what happened next? If you are into comedy, entertainment, those kind of stuffs, rack your brain very well to create content that people want to know. After this one, what happened? After this, what happened? He said this, what is she saying? Try to create content. Even if you are creating an educative content, try to make it, try to apply some intelligence in it, that people will want to know what next is the next step, or what is the next step that happened. That is creating content that is engaging. Then the second one is that you must create an educative or entertaining content. Yes, your content, before people will like to share your video, before people will like to like, comment on your video has to have some kind of impact in their life. Right? How do you expect me to come and share a video that I didn't gain anything from? It probably will be entertaining, or it will be educative, just as this one you are watching now. You watch it, you learn the 3 things you have to do to make your Facebook go viral, to make your videos on Facebook go viral. Isn't it educative? So there are reasons why people have to engage on your post. All right, so you have to make it educative or entertaining, whichever one, whichever niche you are working on. You have to make sure that it is solving any of these. And then the final one is that your video must be informative. Right? You try to pass information through your video. All right, you have to try as much as possible to pass an information. That is just the key, because every content must pass one information. So I don't know if your content passing a negative information or a positive information. Believe in me, by the time you are passing a positive information on daily basis, one day you wake up and you see your video flying. Honestly speaking, I know what I'm telling you. So please make sure that your videos are always flying. I mean, your videos are always, bringing out information, informing people about whatever niche you are trying to create from. Try to make your video so, informative, so that people can learn from it. All right, and then finally, try to make your video simple. Hmm. Don't talk and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk all day, when you can actually make a video of 3 or 4 minutes. You make it as much as 6 minutes, 10 minutes, 9 minutes, just to make it long. No, that wouldn't tell well. All right. So make your video as simple and short as possible. And believe in me, one day you just wake up and boom, it's up there. All right. So thank you for watching this video. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I bring you latest updates on how to make your videos, fly on social media. All right. Thank you very much. God bless you.